Hello you guys. In today's video, it's raining. You probably can't see that well, but it is raining. So, we're gonna make a raining vlog. Gotta protect my phone from the wetness. I have an idea. It's raining! Okay guys, get this extension cord out of the damn way. Alright, there we go guys. This is jumping on a wet trampoline. Oh, it's so much more bouncy. I feel like I should do some flips, but I'm 100% going to get wet. But I mean, YouTube. Whew. There we go. Go say hi to my chickens and ducks. Hey little boy. My boy. I swear I just put this up like a freaking week ago. How it's green, bro. How do you manage to do that, buddy? Hey, man. See if we got any eggs. Hello. Why isn't my camera focusing? Ooh. We got how much eggs? 3. We got... Get out, boy. And collect these eggs. Alright, we got the eggs in my pocket. Let's go see if there is any eggs over here. Oh, there's an egg right over there. Alright, time to get it. We got it. Alright guys, we got it. Okay, let's say hi to the dookies. Where are they? My dookies. My duckleberries. No, come back. Come back. Come on. Just come on. Come on, man. Alright, let me touch you. Let me touch you. Nibble. 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 Go protect your ladies, buddy. Alright. Bye, guys. When did you guys get out? Did you guys just get out? Are you allowed out, guys? I don't even know if these people are allowed out. Let's see if there's any duck eggs. As you guys do not know, I'm allergic to dairy and nuts. So all I can eat is duck eggs. There's no damn duck eggs. There's just that little silly boy. Are there even any chickens living in that anymore? Let me check. Yes, I used to love spray painting. Oh. Nah, I don't think so. I don't think so. Okay. Like I said, guys, I loved spray painting. That's crazy, buddy. You know, guys, it's crazy how it feels like just yesterday I was telling my mom that I had, if she was proud of me, because I had 19 subscribers. Now I'm almost at 90, guys. Thank you. Shut up. Shut up. You're ruining the vlog. You're ruining the vlog. Come here. Come here. Oh my god. Oh my god. Who's that? Who's that booger? Oh my god. It's a booger. It's a booger. It's a booger. Booger. Oh yeah, guys. I got, my dad grew some pumpkins. So, let me know in the comment section if you want a video of me carving a pumpkin. Alright guys, I think that's it for today. But, yeah, subscribe.